So I'm starting my makeup with toner and then moisturizer. After that, I'm using a primer. Now I'm gonna go ahead with color correction. I'm using Makeup Studio Special Palette here. Now I'm mixing two shades from Forever 52 foundation. One is chestnut and one is cheesecake, and I'm just slowly dabbing the product over my skin to make sure the correction doesn't move from its place. And now I'm using a brush instead of a blender because that absorbs a lot of product. Now I'm using Recode highlighter here, fixing the base, and now I'm going to secure the base, especially the under eyes, because they tend to crease first and very easily. So secure your under eyes first. Whenever you feel you have to tone down the blusher, you can always use a damp blender and blend the blusher and it will tone down. Now I'm going ahead with my eyes. I am using very dark brown kind of shade on my eyes and I'm giving it a little depth. And the main key to do the eyes is good blending. And you can see me, I'm blending my eyes very well. You have to blend a lot. Now on the outer corner, I'm just putting a little more product there to create more depth. Now I'm taking a black color and a flat brush. I'm putting the shade on the outer corner of my eye in the shape of V, you know. And now I'm just gonna blend it and soften it. You can also take a lighter shade like a dark brown to blend it so that it doesn't look very edgy. Now I'm going to take a new flat brush and I'm going to put some very light shade on the inner corner and the space in the middle. And I'm using Makeup Studio two-way gel and putting some shimmers over my lid, over the space that I've created. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Studio Jewel effect and it will help me lift the intensity of the shimmers that I've used. as you can see the difference in both the eyes. Now I'm just going to define my lips with a dark brown pencil. Now I'm using a light brown shade on my lips, and I'm going to put some white color in between that comes in your palette, in your lip palette. And I'm going to just smudge it, and I just love this effect. Now I'm contouring my nose a little bit. Now I'm using a highlighter from Forever 52. I'm not doing too much highlighting. I just want a little bit. So yes, finishing my look with this mascara, and I'm done. Here's the look. I hope you all like it. And also don't forget to put on the gloss. You may also check out my Instagram page by the name of Kalki Makeups. I will provide the handle in the description.